That's right, everyone. I finally had the chance to head over to my friend Todd's collection and get the drone out after I fixed it and get a real good view of everything that's there on the property. And the really cool thing is, me and Todd went over it, and a good majority of this collection will be for sale here at the end of the video, so keep watching. That's right, Todd and I went through and we made a map of his entire collection. All these cars, we went through and I made a map with every single car and what it is and what it has, what kind of condition it's in, everything. We went through this meticulously over the last year. We didn't want to make sure that we missed anything because there was so much there. In the end, we counted that there was roughly 90 cars in this grouping. This doesn't include the cars that are in the other video at the other property. It's these cars that are the ones that are going to be for sale. Todd and I went through and with the map priced out all the cars that you see here for the most part. There's a handful that Todd has decided to keep, and that is his prerogative, but a good majority of the Camaro projects are going to be going. That 70 or 80 Trans Am there, that's going to be gone. A lot of these cars need to get moved because Todd wants to build another barn, and these cars are basically where he wants the other barn to be. Before I'd made the map, we were trying to identify cars by colors and by location, and it was nearly impossible. With 90-ish cars, we really were lost on how to organize our thoughts pertaining to everything that's on this property. So I had to go through, and I do the maps at the Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals, so it's not out of my realm to deal with lots of cars in a big space. And fortunately, these are all, for the most part, lined up fairly organized. We did count there was 23 first-gen Camaro and Firebirds on the property. He's keeping a handful of them, so I think that's still like 19 of them they're going to be coming up for sale. You'll see the list here at the end, but he's getting rid of a majority. None of the SS cars, or none of the SS Camaros are going. The RS is staying. He's keeping the 68 Z28, but like the 69 SS 396 Chevelle that's in the back row, that's coming up for sale. The 70 Nova SS 396 car, that's coming up for sale. He's keeping a handful that are meaningful to him, but the rest are going to be going. He already sold one of the 69 Camaros, the silver RS that you saw in the previous videos. This 69 SS with the bench sheet, that's staying. This 68 SS 396 Chevelle staying. The GS Stage 1 is going though, and that Z28 front end, that's going to be going. But majority of them, out of the 90 cars, I think he's only keeping 7. So when you see the list, you'll get an idea of everything that's going to be up for sale, including this Buick. That's actually right now on Facebook Marketplace. All these parts are for sale. That El Camino's for sale, even though it's really rough. I'm not posting the video in the video. I'm not posting the list in the video because I feel it's not the right spot for it. I actually updated my website, barnfinds.org. It will have pictures and links to pictures, so everything that you see will be readily available for you to take a look at and see if you're interested in something in southwest Wisconsin. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed that video from my friend Todd's private collection over in Wisconsin. Now he's like, Dubuque would be the largest big town, which is Dubuque, Iowa. And he's like 20 minutes from there, 30 minutes. Yeah, kind of southeast of there. But Dubuque would be the closest one. And as I said in the voiceover, the list and all the information is at the website at the link below. That way, everything's in the same spot if you are interested in any of the vehicles. I'm
renting a car to go to Holly Mo Party, which is next weekend. I will be there Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Sunday, I won't be there that long because I have to return the rental car. Because if you don't pay attention, I am sitting where the blue car usually is, and it's currently at South Oak Dodge in like it's like an hour from me south. I got it there on Thursday, took 3 trains, got home, and I don't think have had a chance to look at it yet. But as soon as I hear anything on it, I will definitely post an update in my social media, and I'll probably update the video, well, the next video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. The next one should be a humdinger. It's going to be, I think, a wing car video. So I'll talk to you all soon. Stay safe. And if you have any comments or questions, just leave them below.